brings the blood flow to the area, so it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Now I know y'all heard that. Excellent. I think I got one more right here. Yep, there it was.
颈椎有偏位，所以说我们矫正啊，第四肌有颈椎的左侧啊。好。
This one. Good. Okay, this side. Good. Good. Real good. Good.
That all year out now. That's good. Excellent. I'm getting movement all the way up and down now, even without the decompression. Now notice how the angles change. I'm almost got a superior to inferior angle in this upper thoracic region. Now I'm going to get a contact right here on T1. There we go. Well, that moved excellent this evening. Yes, sir. Perfect. Good job. Got one little one right here. That's it. There we go. Perfect. That was accident. So let's show them what we do to fix that. Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah. Alright. Drop this one right in the hand here. Perfect. Going right. Yep. Perfect. Good job. A little bit there.
Probably my wife.
Yeah, she probably has a good thing to say on video. There we go. Boy, he is still kicking. Alright. Perfect. I've got one more here, Anthony. Tilt left just a little. There you go. Just a tad. There we go. Oh yeah. Perfect. Big Croy. Nice deep breath in. And just exhale in there. Oh yeah. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. It's the Palmer cervical rotary braille. Yeah. Excellent. Okay. One more here.
Take your time. We're gonna go right in here, okay? Just let it go. Good. Nice. Okay. Let's go this way. This way. Okay. Perfect. Wow.
Pretty mother with the Mossberg. Jiggy mother at my concert. I'm wearing box furs, rocking Oxford, eating oxtails, sipping Coxburg. Silly mother's looking awkward. So much dick riding at my cock hurt. running clockwork, so we got perp and we got work.